Finally, the day has end.
Yes.
You don't even know what I'm feeling inside.
Yeah?
Let's see.
Let's see. We'll go. Okay.
This is the first apartment I bought by myself, and to make it feel like a home, it needed a transformation. So let's look back at the 45 days journey on how Homeland transformed my house into a home. And obviously, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how much was the total cost to get the interiors done.
This is where it all begins. So, this is where Himija tells us what she likes and what she wants for her home, and we put all those ideas into paper.
I want to have a Jula in the living room. In the dining room, I want a wall bench. The third bedroom is for my parents.
Now, once the design is locked, the first real work you'll see at site is masking. Every single piece of Himja's home is being built right here, from wardrobes to kitchen units. Precision machines size everything perfectly. Once all the pieces are made and packed, they're directly transported to the client's house. Today, I've come to visit the site to check the progress. There's still a lot pending.
I'm so stressed. There's just 5 days left. Okay, I'm actually more nervous than her right now. I don't even know if she's gonna like it. What do you think?
I'm also very nervous, but yeah, we have done our best job, so definitely she will like it. I hope so, because as she has mentioned, we have planned. I think she came.
Oh my god, okay. Hi! Nancy, hi. Hi.
I'm so excited. Finally, the day has end.
Yes.
You don't even know what I'm feeling inside.
Yeah?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Wow! This is exactly what I wanted. The Jula here, the TV wall. I feel like you literally gave life to those 3D renders.
One thing that has always been on my mind is Vibes design.
Actually, it's inspired by Himalayas. You know, Himaja literally means born of Himalayas. So, the creativity. I loved it, yeah. I can't stop myself. Isn't this?
So, is your first vlog gonna be tonight?
Definitely tomorrow. Yeah, not tonight. I love this feel. Wow, it's stunning. When I first imagined this space, I didn't think it would look this lovely, especially how Homeland bought the wall bench, which was my idea. We discussed about this bar unit for 3 days. Finally, look at the output. Credit goes to both of us.
So next, now I'll show you my favorite part in this house.
I have a guess.
I think you love this also.
My mom will be very happy. In fact, I loved it too. It's small, but it means a lot. But do you remember my parents asked for colorful background, but I choose this.
Can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
This is my favorite place now, and I'm very excited to see what the kitchen has to offer. Let's go.
Stunning and perfect for my daily use. If I want to show it to anyone visits my home, I can cook, I can serve, move around, or just sit here for chai.
Yes.
Amazing. And do you remember when I asked for this, you said, oh no, it will be complicated. But then later, finally, we made it. I love this. Actually, for my mom, it's very useful and, comfortable for her. Actually, I'm really excited about my bedroom, actually. It's exactly like the picture in my mind. It's a space for me to relax, and I don't want too many colors in my space.
Yeah.
We want to relax, and our feel completely colorful. At home, I need peace.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially in my bedroom. I really love the color combination. I'll show my favorite corner. Come.
Yeah, let's go.
Actually, I just asked a standing mirror, okay, and Nancy did this for me. I wear saris mostly. For me, I have to check from top to bottom when I wear saris. This is really helpful for every woman who wear a sari.
I have one more surprise for you. So can we check that also? You'll love it.
My cute little vanity room. Yes. Look at this. Lovely. Actually, we thought it's a small room, but turned out to be a cute and spacious enough for me because you gave so many racks for me.
All right, let's just go check the rest of the bedrooms.
Oh wait, we need to check this. Basically, I don't like that basic style of basins and mirrors. This is like statement mirror, right? I really loved it. So this is my taste. Yeah, it reflects my personality everywhere. So let's go to my parents' bedroom. I'm excited and there's nothing which can beat mother's happiness, right? I'm really excited to watch her happy.
Yeah.
I really like the colors you have picked. No words, literally, I'm so happy. The first preference is comfort.
Yeah.
I'm feeling that here. They will love it for sure, no doubt. I don't want to leave this room. Feeling so cozy and, warmth and very peaceful.
Yeah.
I loved it. The guest bedroom is mainly for family and guests who come over. Actually, I wanted it to be little interesting because I don't want that boring white walls. So this is interesting, right? Now to the camera, the entire home, the cost of the interiors was around 45 lakh.
And that brings us to the end of the tour.
Yes, absolutely. I love the tour both of you have given me. It felt very special. Thank you so much, both of you.